Hey Jerry, it's Jim. Just wanted you to know that I dropped off your ingredients and they're right at your front door. I can't wait to see what you make. Talk to you later. Bye!
Hi neighbors, it is I, jerri-Ellen. I just hung up the phone with my buddy Jim over at Jim Kitchen. Probably messed that pronunciation up, but here we go. He left some ingredients on my step. Let me see what he brought. I have to make something using these 3 ingredients. I sent 3 ingredients to his house too, so after you see what I did with these 3 ingredients, go visit Jim. See what he did with mine. First ingredient, cornflakes. Second ingredient, salami. Third ingredient, soy sauce. So Jim wants me to make something with cornflakes, soy sauce, and salami. Okay, neighbors, I had some time to think, and I thought, what I am going to do is I got myself 4 chicken breasts or so, and what I did is I sliced the chicken breasts through the center to open them up like a book, and I pounded them out thin. And I put some pepper on each side, salt and pepper, the chicken breast, so they're all seasoned. So what I'm going to do, this is mushroom flavored soy sauce, and I'm going to use the brush to brush that into the chicken. I think that looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do with this chicken now, I'm going to get a piece at a time. A little bit of basil pesto. I'm not going to touch the chicken with the brush. I'm just going to do it with my hands.
Have we had this before?
No, I'm just making this stuff up, man. I'm going to put a couple of pieces of salami in there. A little bit of mozzarella. Some tomato. Some pepper. Some Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to roll it, or at least like try to fold it. Might not roll too easy. It's very slippery. Okay. You put this over here on a bed of cabbage. Okay. Now, I rolled them all up. You can use toothpicks if you want to really secure it. We just try to roll it as tightly as possible. Now I'm going to brush each one with an egg wash.
And you kind of scrambled those eggs.
Yeah, it's 1 egg, like you scrambled up, yeah. So that I can use it as a bit of an egg wash.
So whatever the heck this is called, this doesn't have a name.
No, stuffed chicken.
So you invented your own stuffed chicken here.
Well, kind of, sort of. I'm sure that there's things like it, you know. Yeah. Now, the cornflakes. I'm going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, just because we like it, case. Okay. Now I'm going to put cornflakes to give like a crispy, nice crunch to each piece of chicken. You can crush them if you want a little. Make almost like a breadcrumb on each one. Coat it well. Now I'm going to put some tomatoes in there and cauliflower. So we got a bed of cabbage down. Everything has been washed, and actually washed them in salted water. Now I'm going to sprinkle, this is a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. And you can salt and pepper this to taste. There's a lot of salt in the parm, I find, so I'm just going to add pepper. Now my oven is preheated to 375, And I'm just going to toss that in until the chicken is cooked, probably about 35, 45 minutes. Okay? Maybe even close to 50 minutes. I'll let you know. It's on 375. Guys, kind of very proud of myself right now. Look at this. So we got cabbage and cauliflower, tomato, and this here chicken. We're going to cut it open. Okay? Let me check the inside. And it stayed together with those toothpicks, guys.
And you put olive oil on it?
Oh, I took it out and I drizzled it with olive oil.
Like, how long into the cooking was that?
Well, almost right away.
And then how long did you cook it for?
I cooked it for probably like 45 minutes, 50 minutes.
That looks good.
Doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Let's have a bite. Bite of goodness. I love it, guys. I love it. Thank you, Jim, for doing this collaboration with me. I cannot wait to see your creation. Wait till you see his 3 ingredients that I picked for him and what he's going to do. Very creative guy. I encourage you to visit him, subscribe to him, like the video. He's a lot of fun. I really, really enjoy his personality, his enthusiasm, his food, his channel. Check him out. And thank you all for coming. God bless. Keep a good heart and be safe. Love you.